Oh my god, I was doing so well. Ugh. Filming is not easy, you guys. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Stacia. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you guys want to see how to get this vampy, sexy, glowy, I have a man, I don't have a man, I have a lady, I don't really care because it's 2019 and I don't give a then keep on watching. I have already primed and prepped the skin so that we can go ahead and jump on into the good stuff. For foundation today, I am using a combination of things because who knows what color I am at this point, so I don't even know. So I'm actually super excited to try the Hourglass New Foundation because I love the Vanish stick, but it's a stick, so I can't blend it out with a sponge. Like I can, but it takes too much time, and no one has time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Can we just pause for a second and take a moment to appreciate my color match skills? I did that so well. Sorry, just tooting my own horn over here. Okay, I need to slow down. I'm like stabbing myself in the eye. This is probably my favorite part. It's just getting like rid of all of that hyperpigmentation, all of that redness, and like getting a perfect balanced canvas. All right. And then to get rid of any brush strokes or streaks, we are just gonna go over everything with our Beauty Blender. For concealer today, we are going to be using a combination of the Born This Way concealer as well as the Master Conceal from Maybelline. You guys, I just went in for a fill and my lash girl was like, "You got concealer on your lashes, I'm gonna kill you." Okay, I'm just kidding, she didn't say that. What she said was, "You got concealer on your lashes?" And I was like, "You watched my video?" See, you have to stay positive. You have to look at the good things, you know? Forget that she's mad at me. Be excited that she watched your video. I'm crazy. Actually, you know what? I don't think we're gonna go in with that Master Conceal, so we're just gonna use the Born This Way. I love the packaging on this. It's so like weighted and just yummy. Using our Beauty Blender. Then we are setting our face with our Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And I'm feeling a little bit ballsy today, so we are gonna try a new bronzer. Yay! This one is from the brand Makeup Studio. I got this when I went to Amsterdam and I still haven't even tried it, so fingers crossed that we love it because we're filming something else today. Can't be looking all crazy, so all right, here we go with our NARS Ita brush. Tap that off a little bit more. Gee Louise. I do the same thing every single time, you guys. I try to mix up products for you, but you know when you just find something that you like and you like don't want to mess with it? That's kind of me. Taking our angled taper brush, we are gonna dip into that same product and we're just warming up the sides of our face. Yeah, this product is good, but you don't need a whole lot. So a lot goes a long way, which is amazing. And then for contouring our nose, I am gonna go back in with the same Milani Baked Bronzer because I know that we love it and I know that it looks good. Whoop! Oh, we're good. Using that Sephora angled brush. Let me know if you guys want a full-on tutorial about this. I have been getting quite a few questions about it, so if you guys want a tutorial on why I do it this way, let me know. Be happy to do that for you. I've had a few people say that they tried a few tricks that I showed them and they really, really like it, so let me know.
Now I can't unsee the deer.
Me either. So cute though. Like, I'll take it. It's kind of a compliment, right?
Yeah. Dope.
You look like a female deer, right? A drop of golden sun. For blush today, we are going to be using the Clinique Cheek Pop blush in the shade Pansy Pop. It's really, really cute. It's like this, here, let me open it up for you. It's like this cool toned, almost like purple iridescent. I don't know, why does it look iridescent? I don't know, but it's super, super soft and really, really nice. So we're gonna try this one out today. We are going to take the Morphe Y2 for this. Oh, we could mix it. Okay, so for blush, I just am super indecisive, you guys, so I just want to use anything and everything that I have. I have a ton of products that I haven't even really touched, and it drives me crazy because products that I don't use are gonna think I don't love them. So we are also going to be using the Milani blush powder in the shade Romantic Rose. I'm just popping that on our cheeks as well. Isn't that so pretty? It's like an actual rose in the pan. I love this. So cute. Oh yeah, that's nice. And you know me, always going in with way too much. That's actually really nice. I like this combination. We're keeping this in our arsenal. All right, moving on. You did not just get that on camera. You guys may have noticed that I took my extensions out. Don't worry. Just for the time being, giving my hair a little bit of a break. All right, so for our eyes today, we are going to be using this beautiful Morphe 35V palette. If you guys have not seen this palette before, oh, it's so pretty. I love this one so much. Can we get a thumbnail right now? For our transition shade, we are going to be going in with this cool tone brown right here at the top. Of course, I just dug my nail into. You need to calm down, Stacia. And we're just taking that all the way from inner corner to outer corner with our brush from Morphe, the 441. And if you guys are my day ones, you already know. We're taking that shade all the way into our nose contour. One thing that I will say that I had to get used to was doing my makeup from far away. And what I mean by that is, like, I have a mirror sitting down here in front of me, and usually I'm like super close into this mirror. I can't be that way. You guys yelled at me. Next, we are going in with the shade. Hang on, I have the shade names, so I will tell you. That first shade that we used is called Risque. Next, we are going in with the shade Vixen from the Morphe 35V. Same brush. And we're just concentrating that more on the outside portion of our eye. Well, outside crease. You guys, I'm so excited for what we're getting ready to do. Like, this whole next video concept thing. So I'm sorry if I seem a little spastic today. For our next shade, we are taking the M412 and a combination of the shade Seduce as well as In the Zone. And we're just packing that color on our outside V. We're also kind of winging that shadow out as well. Is that who I think it is? Do you think they're ready to meet him yet? I don't think they're ready for all this cuteness. Taking a clean M441 with no product on it, and we're just blending out the shadow that we just laid down on our outside corner. No harsh lines, you guys. You've been here, you've heard it once, you'll probably hear it a million more times. No harsh lines. I should have gone in with a darker foundation. It's okay. We'll just distract them. Ready? You guys do not understand how in love I am with this little boy. Hi, Maui. He's so freaking cute. Oh. So I went out to LA to pick him up. You guys, he is 6 weeks old and he's only 2 pounds. Look at his coat. Okay, I know that if you aren't into dogs or like you don't really care, but look at how beautiful he is. Oh. Mogi, say hi. Say hi, Mogi. Oh, Ollie. Okay, he's jealous. I feel like I put my dogs in every video, but you guys, that's because like I love them so much. Is that you? Yeah, hi, honey. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm obsessed. But this is our newest family member. This is Mowgli. Hi. Now we have 3 of you. When I told Michael that we were getting another dog, yes, and I said I told him because I knew that if I didn't already put a deposit down for him, he wouldn't be here right now. Now to deepen up our lash line, we are taking the M412 and the shade Addicted. And we are just going to place this along the outside portion of our lash line, just to sort of deepen that up even more. Are you ready? Now it's time for the start of the show, and for that we will be going in with the Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in the shade 13, as well as the Peaches, I couldn't remember the name of it, the Peaches Loose Eyeshadow in the shade Gatsby. And I have them already pre-mixed right here. So for this, we are going to pack this on the lid using an M422. Spritzing this brush with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus and dipping into these shadows that I've already combined. So to make sure that this eyeshadow will stay on your lids all night long, we are going to be using the Too Faced Glitter Glue. And how I apply this is I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand. And then I'll pick up any flat brush, really will work. We'll use this one. This one is from Morphe. It's the M508, and I will get a little bit of that glitter glue on that brush. And then instead of swiping it on our lid, I'll just place it where I want the glitter to go. And for this look, I don't want it to be like, bam, glitter. So I'll tap over that with my fingertip. All right, well, I know I said I didn't want it to be like bam, but it is what it is. We're just kind of softening that line because we don't want it to be like a cut crease. And just repeating those same steps on our other eye. Now we're going to do underneath our eyes, going in with that same shade Vixen. And just placing this underneath. Then picking up the shade Seduced and concentrating this closer on the outside portion of our eye and closer to the lash line. Also bringing that shadow from the lower lash line into the shadow on our top lid. Now I'm gonna hop off and do my brows really fast, so I will be back in 3, 2, 1. Brows are done. Now for our next step, which is eyeliner, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris in Carbon Black, as well as my trusted and true Miss Rosé Cat Eyeliner. I love this thing, and if you guys have been sleeping on this, or if you aren't listening to me, y'all are missing out. You guys need to get this. It will change your life. Literally, boop, boop, done. So how I do this is I will just line my eye, and then I will place the stamp of the Miss Rosé on my eyes, and here we go. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on this, let me know as well. What do you think? Do you like it? Shake the camera up and down.
Say yes.
Say yes, bitch. Okay, okay, okay.
Sit up straight. Stop saying so.
Damn it. Doing everything that he tells me not to do. For highlight today, we are going to be using Ofra Cosmetics in Beverly Hills, as well as some Fenty, how many carats? Yes. So how we're going to be doing this is we are taking the Morphe Y12, if I could find it, or Y14, I'm sorry. You think I would know these brush numbers by now. Like I use them every single day. No idea. First, we are going to spritz our face with some All Nighter. And then dipping into our Ofra highlight. Yes. I honestly think highlighting is my favorite part of the whole makeup thing, like routine. For the tip of our nose and down the bridge of our nose. We don't want to ruin all of that nose contour we did. I love that so much. I don't know why. We're also gonna do our collarbones today and our shoulder blades because they're exposed. And it's Valentine's Day. It's okay to be a little bit extra, even though this is my ass every day. And then spritzing our brush with a little bit of all-nighter. Same steps, dipping into Fenty, and we're just gonna put this right on the high points of our cheeks. Done. Just have 2 white dots to get in.
You're doing great.
You're doing great, sweetie.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Thanks, guys. I feel so supported. In Atlanta. Oh, hi, baby.
If you put this in here, everyone's gonna be like, does this guy just never get out of his jean jacket?
Oh, you are in your jean jacket, huh?
New baby.
Oh, honey.
Oh, honey.
Oh, hunty. Are you kidding? So we did our bottom lashes, and I actually decided to pull in the inner corner and do a small like point, and I decided to fill in the waterline with a little bit of black eyeliner as well. So just makes it a little bit more smoky, a little bit more sexy, a little bit more va-va-voom. Ooh, we should do that. And then I decided if we're gonna take it there, we're just gonna take it there. So from that same 35V palette, we are taking this beautiful purple shade called Bad Boy. So who doesn't love a bad boy? So we're just smoking out that bottom lash line with that purple shade, just to give us more of that vampy eye. That was what this look needed. It just needed that extra oomph, you know? So we are just going to align our lips with this Urban Decay lip pencil. Actually, it's an eye pencil, but you know, it's all the same. In the shade Rockstar. And then using the lip color from Gerard Cosmetics in the shade Night Rider. And then we are placing a few dots of this shade on the outside portion of our lips. And then from NYX, we are filling in the center with the shade Berlin. And with dark colors like this, I like to use a lip pencil to really get that bottom and top line perfect. So we're just going right along the bottom of our lip and filling in the center. Then taking a little bit of concealer and a small concealer brush, we're just gonna take it and kind of clean up around our lips to make that line even sharper. We are just setting all of that with a beauty blender. That is it, you guys. This is my take on a vampy Valentine's Day look. So much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up as well as a comment and subscribe before you leave. I love you all so much and you honestly mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next week in my next one. Bye.